Homework number 2. You're given the equation y squared over 16 minus x squared over 4 equals 1. So first let's find out whether it's vertically oriented or horizontally oriented. If you remember from yesterday's lesson, we discussed 16 is greater than negative 4. This time you will have to include the negative sign. 16 is greater than negative 4. And 16 is underneath the y. So this is going to tell us this hyperbola is going to be vertically oriented. Followed by, how about the center? So as you can see, there's no number followed by the being subtracted from x or y. So the center location, h and k, is going to be located at 0, 0. Next, we're going to rewrite this equation into standard form. By standard form, I mean I want to make my denominators something square. So 16 turns into 4 square. 4 turns into 2 square. This way I can identify my A is going to be 4, B is going to be 2. C square. So remember, C square is a little bit different than hyperellipse. C square equals A square plus B square. So I have 16 plus 4, which is 20, making C equals to square root of 20. Now we can find the vertices. So vertices is going to be located from 0, A units away, 0, subtract A units away. So our vertices is going to be located at 0, 4, 0, negative 4. How about the foci? So since this is vertically oriented, it's going to be located at 0, square root of 20, 0, negative square root of 20. Last information, asymptote. How do I find the asymptote? And that's the main reason why we draw the rectangular box yesterday. How did I draw the rectangular box? I identified the vertices. So we have 0, 4, 0, negative 4. And then the conjugate axis. So B is giving us B units away from the center, B units away from the center. That's how I define my rectangular box. So I can find the rise over run, which is 4 over 2. So 4 over 2 as my slope. This way I can find my asymptote is going to be y equals positive 2x, y equals negative 2x.